Okay, so the agency I chose is TBWA. Their parent company is Omnicom Group, and TBWA is a full service advertising agency based in LA. It has offices all over the world. I didn't really go through and count how many because, as you can see, I'm scrolling through right here, and these are all of their locations. So there's kind of a lot, and the list just kind of goes on for a while. Um, but some of TBWA's world-class clients include brands such as McDonald's, Apple, Adidas, Gatorade. So some really big clients that have a lot of ads like in the Super Bowl and whatnot. And TBWA calls themselves the disruption company. Um, and so their creative philosophy is that they're a cure for the common. So they're not a traditional ad agency network. We are a radically open creative collective. We look at what everyone else is doing and strive to do something completely new, completely ownable. We live and breathe disruption, and for more than 2 decades, that's been the secret to our clients' unprecedented success. And so they just really kind of try to go out of the box and everything that they do. And so the campaign that really caught my attention is the She Drives campaign. And so that actually, they launched this campaign after Saudi Arabia lifted the ban on women being able to drive. And this campaign was for Nissan, and it took a group of women and offered them a special driving lesson. But they were surprised to have their teacher be men that they were close with, such as like their fathers and brothers and husbands. So I will go ahead and show a small part of this because it's kind of long, just to give you guys kind of the idea of what it actually is.
أنا أحس إن البنت تقدر تعتمد على نفسها أكتر وتقدر تكون شخصيتها منها. إحنا من زمان منتظرين خبر زي كده. عاشت من يوم ما اتولدت مع المرأة ما كانت تسوق في السعودية. كانت ردة فعل بابا أول شيء كان مرة مصدوم وكان رافض هذا القرار.
كان شوية متحفظ لأنه نحن عشنا عيشة البنت ما تقدر تسوق.
طبعا صاروا يسخروا إنه كيف المرأة حتسوق ونكت كثيرة وإنه حتخش في الصيف ومدري إيش عنه ده كلام.
أنا من الناس اللي حستنى يعني حشوف experience الناس اللي قبلي.
حستنى وقت طويل على ما أسوق.
تفضلي. عندك الأوراق هنا فيها الشهادات المرورية، لو تحبي تراجعيها لأن يجي مدرب السواقة. السلام
عليكم السلام.
عليكم السلام.
So yeah, that was just kind of uh insight on what the whole campaign was, and then it just kind of goes on to show them actually driving and through the instructor and everything. And I found this to be a really powerful campaign that was emotional and super personal and addressed different levels of culture, from like what's listed in the textbook on page 59. So it not only covered culture within the region, but it also covered family and individual culture. And so kind of taking a global brand such as Nissan and bringing it down to that scale and really engaging in the emotion of the people that were a part of the campaign, and the fact that they started off and they all said that the men in their life were pretty reluctant to be open to the idea of having women drivers in Saudi Arabia, and then go on to show them actually supporting them. And so a campaign to kind of provoke women in Saudi Arabia to go out and get their license, and I thought that was really powerful and um, kind of goes along with what global advertising tries to do, and that's engage with cultures and kind of emphasize on things that are issues within our world and kind of help people realize that they're not alone. But yeah, so that is the campaign that I wanted to cover, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'm looking forward to see what you guys have to say about it.